For this week's first bonus step, what we're going to do is add a sound effect that's going to play whenever one of our players starts their turn. So it's going to give a little bit of audio feedback to our player to let them know, hey, it's time to play, pay attention, focus up, whatever. So what we want to start by doing is going to our main camera, and we're going to select the add component option, and we're going to add the audio source component. And so this component allows us to play audio in our scene. And so our audio listener, the object in our scene that hears audio, is on our main camera. So by putting the audio source also on our main camera, what that's going to allow us to do is ensure that our camera is always going to hear this sound effect. We may want to turn the volume down a bit. Oh, I'm sorry, not the pitch. But the volume is set to 1. I would recommend maybe setting it to 0.25, somewhere around there. But this is kind of up to you. That's just going to control how loud the sound plays when it does play. Next up, we want to go into our scripts folder, go to the provided scripts folder and find our game manager. That's where we'll handle playing this sound. And what we want to do is go up to the top of our script, and underneath all of our variables listed here, we want to add a public audio clip start sound, just like that. And then we want to drop down into our StartTurn method here, and we're going to look for that else statement where we are setting our camera's position and rotation, as well as activating our player. And what we're going to do is say camera.main.transform.get component audio source. So we're getting that audio source component we just added to the camera. We're going to say .play one shot. So we're going to play this audio clip one time, and then we're going to drop in that start sound variable. So now whenever our player starts their turn, it's going to get this get component method called, and it's going to play that start sound. So once you've got that done, go ahead and save your script.